Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Brawl Stars. We're going to be trying to get our win streak. This is episode 1. For like 10 minutes, but I gotta go with dinner and play with my friend Jackson. If you guys haven't subbed, go make sure his channel name is Tweak Lash. His videos are awesome. He just posted a Brawl Stars video. So you guys should go check him out. I haven't played this game.
First takedown.
I suck. Guys, by the way, you guys will learn that I suck at this game. Going on. Oh, see, guys, how bad I am.
For pain and for glory.
Guys, let's go lock in here.
Double takedown.
Yeah, double take.
4 takedowns left.
Not gonna lie. Let's go, guys. Lock in. We gotta lock in, boys.
The show must go on.
Bruh. This might be so bad.
1 takedown left. Okay.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Come on, guys. GG's, bro. The team sucks in this game mode. Sucks. Bruh. Alright, fine. Let's go.
Vámonos.
Here, I'm not playing that game mode no more. What should we play, bro? I'll just play some Showdown.
El Primo.
Wait, no.
Showtime.
Kids. Showdown. Wait, no. I ain't. Oh, my friends in my party. Yeah, I'm leaving them. No, I'm playing solo. I'm not playing with some goofy kids that suck at the booty game. Oh, guys, how was your Easter? I hope it was good. You got some cool stuff. Bro, all these kids are 10 times better than me. I haven't played this game in so long, but that's why I'm gonna try to get like 150 episodes in. By the end, like in like 3 months. Let's go destroy this guy. Yeah, get out of here, boy. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yas.
El campeón.
Where are these little tinnies, bro?
Símbolo de la gloria.
Get out of here, boy. Get out of here. Yeah, that's why you don't mess with me. Booty cheeks, kid. I gotta heal up real quick. So I'm gonna get cooked if I don't. No, get out of here. Get out of here. You don't belong in this world. Yeah. I'm better.
Soy el mejor.
Where are these little Timmies? Ooh, are you guys scared? Are you guys scared?
Buenas noches.
Oh, then you're cooked. Cooked. And you're about to get cooked. Get cooked. Get cooked. Yes? Let's go 1 match, guys. Let's go. We won 1. Let's grind some more, get some more matches. 1. Yes, sir. Reject. Get rejected. Guys,
Super rare.
Will, I'm sorry, but I'm just filming a YouTube video right now. Sorry.
Rare.
Oh, 50 coins. That's still good. Here, let's look at my brawlers. So you guys look at, I obviously don't grind that much. Going on and on. Who should I go as? I still like El Primo. If you guys want, we could play some duos sometimes, and I'm gonna grind while I don't play, so I can get good. So you guys actually want to play with me, and I get good, so I can get 100 wins. Even that's never gonna happen. Going on. Get out of here, bro. I gotta go. Heal up. I gotta heal up, bro. Okay. Wait, we gotta get some more stuff. Give me this health crate. Yeah. Oh, you really want to fight me, buddy?
The show must go on.
Gosh. Oh shoot. Get out of here, boy. That's why you don't attack Oh, you really wanna steal my kills, boy? Oh, this
Sin
girl's
dolor no hay gloria.
Sure. Oh, come on. She just... Oh, but I'm getting double teamed. What is this? What is this double team? What is this double team? They're so bad. Bro, they just double team so bad, bro. Okay, well, at least I got a win streak because I got top. That's... At least I got a win streak. Bro, I just got double teamed so bad. Yeah, I'm never pushing them again, bro. I just got cooked. Like cooked.
Vámonos.
No. Come here, little buddy. Player limit. Oh, how's he not? What? How's he not dead? He's bro. That player should be dead. Like dead. There's no way she's not dead. Like how? Just how? Like how are they not dead? Oh, not Max. No, not the killing Max. Bro, that guy's so stupid. I hate that brawler. Bro, he's just hiding in a bush. No. My God. This is why I don't like these guys.
Soy el mejor.
I gotta heal up before this guy kills me, bro. Yeah, Max is cooked. Come here, Max. Come here, Maxie. Get out of here. Finally, I don't have to deal with that kid named Max. I'm so confused, baby. Can't you see? Looking at me. Sweet dreams, cocoa beans. I know what you want from me. Oh, we got a big fight over here. Big boy. Come here, big boy. Kid one. Sweet dreams, cocoa beans. How's he not dead? Yes, let's go. I'm better. Touch grass, kid. Touch grass.
El campeón.
Let's go, bro. Oh, boy. I'm so confused, baby. Can't you
El
see?
primo is here.
I mean, sweet dreams, cocoa beans. I don't want you want from me. What is it? Oh, yeah, he is 8-bit.
Game not over.
Yeah, I didn't spend $5 on some gems, bro. No, I don't. I can't show my email. Whew. Who thinks I should unlock Jackie? I'm so confused, baby. Can't you see? To me. Sweet dreams, cocoa beans. I don't want you want from me.
Move those feet to the boombox beat.
What do we got? Oh yeah. Wait, no. Why did I just put the shell? Nah, I ain't doing trios, bro. Last time I had with the team, bro. Well, it was kind of wasn't showdown, but still. Guys, I'm gonna do 5 more rounds and I'll be done with episode 1, or like maybe 3. So I don't want this to be the longest video ever, because I like to go do stuff in my daily life.
Vámonos.
I'm so confused, baby. Can't you see? Oh my God. Not one of those guys. No. Come here, baby. Yeah, I'm getting him. I'm not doing it. What I love about El Primo is that I'm cooked, chat. Thank God that's not my friend because he's oh my God. No, go. How? Bro, I hate that. You just spray, bro. Like, get a life. This is why no one loves you when your parents hate you. Like, bro, you just spray. Like, bro, that's not fun. Like, who likes sprayers? Like, get a life. Every time I spawn over there, like on the complete other side where I am right now, I always win. I feel like. Get out! No, what is this double team, bro? I killed one kid and then this other kid just caught. Can't you see how double team that is? Like, can this game remove double team? That'll be a blessing. Wait. You know what? I wonder if they're gonna do an Easter update and sneak in something.
El campeón! Watch! ¡La gloria!
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Buenas noches!
Bro, where are kids? Oh, he got me. Oh, no. Nope, never mind. I'm
El
getting him.
campeón!
Kaboom! Kaboom! Oh, never mind. This is another El Primo. God, step on that gas, bro. Nah, bro. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm gonna dip so I can get some energy.
Soy el mejor!
Barney Wilton is hot. Where did that kid go, bro? Sweet, but where is the kid? But he's just camping. We got a camper here, boys. Be humble. Hold up. Be humble. Yeah, sit down. Be humble. Be humble. Just sit down. Be humble. Yes, sit down. Hold up. Guys, I guess I'll play with him. Mythic, let's go. We got Rico.
Epic!
Nah, bro. Who the heck are these? Who are these kids? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this game. Alright, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys had a good video and bye. Peace!